if you're looking to launch a creator account on Fanvue to monetize your content, I'll show you how to set it up step by step. So just open up your preferred browser of choice. Obviously, just type in Fanvue. And then make sure to go to the official website, no third-party websites. Okay, and after that, on this website, you just choose sign up with this green outline. And now, guys, as usual, you can just go ahead and choose the static email and password. That always works. Or you can just choose the Google account, for example, or you can continue with X, previously Twitter. So in my case, I'll just go ahead and choose continue with Google. Okay, accept the changes in permissions. And you should be signed up in no time. And also remember, if you want to remain anonymous or use a stage name online, feel free to use a dedicated email address. Fanvue fully supports creator privacy. Okay, close that. And there you go. Just agree to the terms. And close that. And now you can just press this button, become a creator. And to earn money here, you'll need to complete a quick identity check. Press start earning. So in here, just go through referrals, residency, human, general, continue. You can skip this if you want, verify yourself, and you can start earning then. That's it, guys, for this one. Enjoy.